have the Power Craze Shift 24. Little 124 scale buggy, 2.4 gigahertz. It is only rear wheel drive, so just two-wheel drive, but it is ready to run. It says performance shocks and 4x4 suspension. We'll check that out. And high-speed vehicle. Yes, this is pretty fast actually. I've seen videos of it. Here we have our transmitter. Nice foam grip steering, on and off switch, and then it does have a high and low speed and also digital trim. And then it does take 3 AA batteries. Also in the box you'll find an instruction manual, a USB charger, and another set of tires. So here is the Shift 24. It does have a lot of flex in the back there. The front does have suspension. It's just real little springs right there. So the suspension for the rear is just this plastic here flexes, but it does have a little spring right there on each side. On the bottom here, you have your on and off switch, and then there is your charging port where you just plug the charger right into there and then plug it into a USB outlet. So I want to check out the proportional steering and throttle. It does come with LEDs, front and rear. The rear isn't lit up. Maybe once I connect the controller. Yep, there we go. We got tail lights. We got 3 LED lights up top there. So let's check out this proportional steering. Ooh, that's actually really good. I mean, look at that. That is really good steering. I'm surprised. And then we have the proportional throttle. Oh, and then when you turn a direction, the turn signal goes. And when you go in reverse, the taillights get brighter. I can't believe this thing is like $22. We'll check the speed switch here. Okay. Oh, and the LEDs get brighter when you're in a higher speed. And you can tell a difference in the wheel speed. I don't know if you can hear it on camera, but wow, it seems like this thing would move pretty good. So this extra set of tires that it comes with, they're exactly the same size, they're exactly the same tread. The difference is the black ones are a harder compound, and then the gray ones are a softer compound, which are supposed to give you a little bit more grip on smooth or slipperier surfaces like hardwood floors or stuff like that. But I can't wait to get this charged up and take it out and run it around. I have a little special guest. I must say, he's probably my #1 fan. He also has a Shift 24, but he has the red one. So we're gonna take both of these out and run them around and have a little fun together. Here we go. We have the Power Craze Shift 24 here, and yeah, I have the red one because the red one is my #1 fan. There he is. Hey, nice shirt. Okay, so we're gonna turn these on here, and he's gonna run around with me too. So come here. The LEDs, they flash until you get a bind, and then when they stop flashing, that means you have a bind. So let's run these around here on the So I am in the low rate. It's pretty quick even. Whoa, it's even quick in the low rate. But let's switch it to the high rate. Oh, it's a little quicker. You can tell a little difference. Woo. Woo! These things are pretty quick. So I pretty much covered everything during the unboxing with the tail lights, how you get the turn signals. You see them flashing there. Oh, they handle pretty good. I love the proportional steering. All right, you ready for a little drag race? Yeah. Ready? Go. Oh. And I cannot believe that these things are only like $20. Well, $22. So that was the Power Craze Shift 24, and yes, it does come in red and blue, and these things are pretty cool for the price. Under $25, definitely worth it. All the stuff that you get with it, proportional steering, proportional throttle. I mean, the LED lights, just the list goes on. It's hard to believe that these are under $25. So I am going to give one of these away. The winner will have the choice between red or blue. If you want this to be the giveaway for the month of February, then go ahead and smack that like button, because the RC at the end of February that has the most likes is going to be the giveaway. I'm only picking the RC with the most likes. That will be the giveaway. So you might see other RCs on the channel. I am not giving everything away. I'm just giving the one with the most likes away. So that's where you come in. It's up to you to determine which one's going to be the giveaway for February. So if you want to get yourself entered, then all you do is you comment down below. Your comment is your entry. So I'm only pulling comments off of the video of the RC with the most likes. So you might want to check out some of the RCs and get some comments in on those, because you don't know, I don't know, we don't know which one's going to be the most liked RC. So you want to get an entry in on all of those so you have a chance to win one. But good luck to everybody who enters in the giveaway. Thanks for watching, but I hope to see you with the next
Ready to Run RC.